All right, guys, so in this lesson, I'm actually going to be teaching you what to do if your attacker's trying to bulldozer through you, okay? Now, Yanni overweighs me by 60, 70 pounds. If you're faced with a really strong guy, even if you try to go down slowly, even if you try to go down here, he might be so strong that he'll crash right into me. So what I'm going to teach you is how to basically step off to the side and just redirect the energy. Okay, the reason why we're doing this lesson, because at the end of these videos, there's going to be a challenge, a take me down challenge. Okay, so if I'm here and he tries to take me down, the idea is I'm going to pivot the arm and boom, redirect the energy. Now, go slow, Yanni. As I'm here, I'm going to trap. If he comes here, pivot, grab the shirt. Right? From there, again, it would be striking, but for the purpose of the drill is to learn how to step off to the side. Same thing, if he came here, go here, boom. The foot slips back, grab the back of the neck, boom. But the difference is don't just throw him. Keep him. Here, go again, try to grab the leg, boom. I'm here, I'm using, again, the blade of my forearms, and I'm keeping a stick as long as I have the back of the shirt, the back of the neck, and I'm using the blade of my forearm, I'm always controlling the neck. And that's what you want to do. You want to use this, like in the other lessons, to control the back of the neck, control the body to be able to feel what he's going to do next. Okay? So if I'm here and he's like going to grab the leg and he tries to bulldozer, I'm going to step back. Boom, keep going. And I'm going to try to, boom. I'm going to be here. If he does this, whoop, I just switch the other side. But I'm always hooking by grabbing the t-shirt, also driving my hip back and playing with my legs and pivoting. Now in reality, you'd be striking. But what's fun about these drills, they're there to develop. They're there to develop, again, those instincts without anybody getting hurt, to just lower your center of gravity, trapping, using the arms, the push-pull concept, stepping off to the side, moving, and then the only difference is being able to launch the strikes. So it's a great way to just play in a safe way and develop some skills, some basic skills, and then add some of the close quarter striking. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time.